Good morning, students of class 7. Today I want to teach you different types of chemical reactions. Students, there are certain types of chemical reactions. So we are going to discuss today the types of chemical reactions. Children, please pay attention. Alright students, so these are the 4 types of chemical reactions: simple combination, decomposition, double decomposition and simple displacement reaction. Students, please take out your classwork exercise copy and write down these reactions: simple combination, decomposition, double decomposition and simple displacement reaction. Alright students, I have given some examples of simple combination reaction. Please follow what I have written. H2 plus Cl2 gives twice HCl, N2 plus 3H2 gives twice NH3, twice Fe plus 3L2 gives twice FeCl3, twice FeCl2 plus Cl2 gives twice FeCl3, N2 plus O2 gives twice NO. Children, you will notice that in these reactions, 2 reactants are participating in the reaction. For example, in the first reaction, hydrogen and chlorine react to form hydrogen chloride. In the second reaction, nitrogen and hydrogen, these are the reactants, okay? Nitrogen and hydrogen react to form ammonia. NH3 is ammonia. In the third reaction, iron and chlorine reacts to form ferric chloride. In the fourth reaction, ferrous chloride reacts with chlorine to form ferric chloride. And in the fifth reaction, nitrogen reacts with oxygen to form nitrogen monoxide. So these are the examples of simple combination reaction. Please write it down in your exercise copy. Alright students, these are the examples of simple displacement reaction. Please write down these reactions in your exercise copy. Children, what happens in simple displacement reaction? A more reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its compound. For example, in the first reaction, zinc is more reactive than hydrogen. Okay, so zinc reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form zinc sulfate and hydrogen. Okay, Zn plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. In the second reaction, iron is more reactive than copper. So iron reacts with copper sulfate to form ferrous sulfate, and less reactive copper is displaced. Aluminium reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form aluminium sulfate and hydrogen, because aluminium is more reactive than hydrogen. Iron reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid and displaces the less reactive hydrogen. Sodium is a highly reactive element. When a pinch of sodium is dropped into cold water, what happens? An exothermic reaction occurs. Less reactive hydrogen is displaced. Students, I have given some examples of double decomposition reaction. Please write down these reactions and I will explain to you exactly what is happening in this double decomposition reaction. Children, in double decomposition reaction, what happens? Exchange of radicals take place. Yes, exchange of radicals. For example, in the first reaction, an aqueous solution of silver nitrate reacts with an aqueous solution of sodium chloride to form a curdy white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate. In the next reaction, barium chloride solution reacts with dilute sulfuric acid to form a precipitate of barium sulfate and hydrogen chloride. In the third reaction, ferrous chloride solution reacts with sodium hydroxide to form a dirty green precipitate of ferrous hydroxide and NaCl. In the fourth reaction, ferric chloride solution reacts with an aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide to form a reddish brown precipitate of ferric hydroxide and NaCl. In the fifth reaction, copper sulfate solution, which is blue in color, reacts with sodium hydroxide solution to form a pale blue precipitate of copper hydroxide and sodium sulfate. Students, these are the examples of decomposition reaction. Please write down these reactions and pay attention to what I am saying. Lead nitrate, when heated, decomposes to yield lead monoxide. The color of red monoxide is red when hot and yellow when cold. Reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide is formed along with colorless oxygen. In the second reaction, copper nitrate on heated decomposes to yield copper oxide, which is black in color, reddish brown fumes of nitrogen dioxide and colorless oxygen. In the third reaction, zinc nitrate decomposes on heating to yield zinc oxide, which is yellow when hot and white when cold. Reddish